Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to see screen time on your Android device. So when you open your settings on your device, you can see this digital well-being and parental controls here. But if you can't see that, you will go to the search button or search box and you will try to search for digital well-being. And as you can see right here, you need to tap this one. So here you can see your screen time on Android device. So as you can see on your screen time, you can see 16 locks and 41 notifications. So it gives you details on how many hours that you are using on other apps. And here on dashboard, you can actually see the screen time 5 hours and 51 minutes. And you can also set timers for your applications. So you can set daily timers on your application right here. So when you're going back and try to scroll at the bottom, you can see parental controls here, add content restrictions and set other limits to help your child balance their screen time. So you can set up parental controls right over here and made some limit on your child on using screen time on your Android device. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.